Hey guys, want to share something really quick. I do love to work with Soma Cosmos. This is a wonderful loop station, space delay effect, drifting station. You look it up. So there's one thing which is totally annoying. Since I'm working a lot with acoustic instruments, like my pan drum or my Tibetan bowls, stuff like this. Of course, I do work with electronic instruments like my Moog. But if I got my microphones open and want to start a recording on the Cosmos, these very clicky push buttons are totally annoying. With an open mic in a silent studio, it's impossible. It's just not working. So I looked inside. There's a lot of space. Also, I tried to remove the switch bar, and this is built like a tank. It's very well built. And instead of trying to desolder those big switches, and frankly, I don't know yet where to get those. I think they're called soft touch switches. So the easiest way I figured out is just to get one of those micro tiny little switches, and they are totally silent. So I just drilled a hole inside. Very careful. You don't want to stick your drill into the electronics. And the next steps, it's going to be screw in those little switches and do some small soldering, and that's going to be it. I just soldered the new tiny switch just above the original switch, so they are working in parallel now. So no problem to use either of them. So got it back on its place. Here we go. The old switch, very noisy, and the new one. So I think that's a quite minimal invasive solution. And if I want to get rid of the switch, it's going to be a hole then. But you can easily cover it up with some black plastic cap. If you follow the solution, you do so on your own risk, okay? So especially be careful with the drill. There's no much space, safety space. A little soldering is involved. I think it's an easy solution. All right then, thanks for watching. Bye.